If you want to change the world, they said, you'll have to do big things. But from what I've seen, change can happen even when you focus on the little things. No matter how small or simple they may seem, little things can have a big impact on our dreams. Sometimes the little things are just lessons hiding in plain sight, giving us an opportunity to find a solution that's just right. So if you want to change the world, don't worry about just taking great big swings. Because from what I've seen, change can happen even when you focus on the little things.